Hi, I'm Dr. Al-Saffar. I'm a general dentist here at Dr. Joy Dental Clinic. I've graduated from the University of Dundee, Scotland in the UK, and I have more than 16 years of experience of treating patients here in Dubai and back home in the UK. As a general dentist, I provide preventative dentistry, including preventative fillings and fluoride applications and oral hygiene instructions on how to keep the teeth and the gums nice and healthy. Moreover, I provide restorative treatments, including fillings, inlays, allays, crown and bridge work, some aesthetic dentistry, including teeth whitening and veneer. I also carry out root canal treatments and dental extractions. My aim priority is to keep my patient informed of all times and to provide them with the highest dental work which suits their needs in a relaxed, pain-free environment. I would like to see you all here in Dr. Joy Clinic. Call us and book an appointment. See you soon.